Today, I want to show you how to access an AI chatbot. First, you need to open your Microsoft Edge browser. After that, you should open a new tab and type Bing in the search bar. Once you've typed Bing, press Enter. Once you press Enter, a new page will open. You will find an option up here. Click on it. After clicking, a new format will open in front of you. On this page, you can see at the very bottom, there is an AI chatbot available. You can ask any questions you have to this AI chatbot. If you don't have any specific questions and need some ideas, you can scroll up a bit to find multiple questions. Besides that, if you're inside the chatbot and want to ask any question, you can simply type your question. For example, I am asking a question. A car is moving at a speed of 20 meters per second. What is its acceleration if it comes to a stop in 10 seconds? After typing this question, just click Enter. After clicking Enter, it will start generating an answer. It usually takes around 4 to 5 seconds to provide you with an answer. You can see that it has started providing the answer along with the formula. Here is the answer. You can also copy it from here if you wish. This is the method to access the AI chatbot. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.